Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Ivan and this is the Craft Dodo. This evening we are making a pizza box, a tiny teeny pizza box, and I'm gonna teach you how.
The Craft Dodo. Crafts you can craft.
So here we are. And I will try to keep it simple and possibly quick, but I think we'll have to cut it into 2 or 3 parts, but we will see. Yeah, the point is trying to learn how to use Inkscape just to get rid of Leonardo. Leonardo is a software that comes with Juliet, at least for the design part, because Leonardo is good only for very simple design and well, cut to cut, not to create. So we have here our Inkscape. I assume that you downloaded it and installed it. It shouldn't be difficult. And this is the interface. We have one very small page here, but we can go under the view, zoom, zoom to page. Okay. And also we can learn that with the zoom you can click on minus for the zoom out or plus for the zoom in. I'm using the keyboard right now. Okay, so minus, plus, and 5. Cool. So what I want to do right now is this. I want to set up my space, my page. So let's do a document properties and let's make this page horizontal. Okay, cool. I also want another page because I will be referencing the file I made for the template, for the tutorial, sorry. And I need actually space where to put my file. Well, you know what? Probably I don't need a whole page. Let's see. I can do import and I have this one here. Whoop. Okay, here it is. We can keep it here. We don't need another page. That's fine. And as you can see, this is the updated version I made after the test I made just to see if the graphic was okay and if it was cutting properly. Quite nice, isn't it? What about the best intro you ever seen on YouTube? I mean, I've been working like crazy on that intro, so please share some love for the intro. Okay. Now, let's start with another import here. Let's find our tutorial file. And then I want my die here open. Ignore. Here it is. Cool. Now here there are all the palettes. I don't know how they call it, the tabs, okay. And we want the align and distribute. You see, we are relative to the page. So if I have an object selected and I say center it and center it, yep, there it goes. Another palette here that is very important to me is the layers and objects because I like to keep everything organized. So let's double click on layer and call it by cut. And let's lock it there. So there won't be any chance to move it or to change it. Cool. Let's make another layer here. Let's call it design, whatever. Cool. And now let's import our pizza maker, our Mario here. It's me. Okay. Here it is. Let's zoom on this thing. And here it is. Well, one important detail is under Inkscape preferences, you see behavior and steps. I did put 25 millimeters as my arrow key movement. You can put whatever you like, but if you want to go along with my tutorial, you should input 25. Okay. And also make sure this one is blue is selected. It's for the snaps. Cool, so we have this one. Okay, we can go object, ungroup, and get rid of this one. Thank you, Adriano, for providing this amazing free clip art. So, you see, when you move the object, it moves like one piece, but it's not actually one piece. Because you can go to object, ungroup. Okay, you see you have a bunch of files here, actually sub-layers. And now if I move this one, you see that there are parts that is staying behind, they are staying behind. But anyway, it's not very, very important at the moment. What I want to do now is to select everything. Now I go on duplicate, and on my arrow key, on the left one, I just push it once, whoop, and I have my copy here of the design. Now, why did I make a copy? Because there is this tool here, no, this one, sorry, here it is, it's the shape builder tool, that once you have some paths selected, you can click it. Okay, and it will make something very cool, like you can highlight parts of the design and you can click it, and then maybe you can click whatever, this one, or you can click I don't know what else, nothing much, and here it is. You just need to click with the arrow key here, the select tool, or just hit return on the keyboard. You see, we have some new paths that we didn't have here. What can we do now with this one? We can go here on our palettes and find the one that's a fill and stroke. Remember that if it's not there, you can always click here and find it here, okay? Fill and stroke. So when you click on an object, you have here the fill, the stroke, and the stroke style. Let's keep it simple and use for the moment fill and stroke paint. So you click on fill, you want it to go on flat color. Now it's all black, so you can take the black and make it down to 0. Let's make this hat like, I don't know, whatever. Yeah. Let's make it blue for no reason. Okay. Now, if you hit one time the right arrow key, there it goes. Okay. So, do you see we also have this one because we ungrouped the object before? We can now go on edit, duplicate, move it here, and then go up, move it here, okay? And we will do something different now. We will do under the menu path, we will go for break apart. Break apart will break all the paths. If you go under view, display mode, and go outline, you will understand it. You see now they are not like one piece, they are just single paths. Okay, and let's go back to normal, and now just to show you, if I go on path and combine, it will get back to its original state, but we want to break it apart. Here it is. why do I want this thing? Because I can select now this one, move it here, and make it like yellow, magenta, no black, and we have our tomato. And all these things here, we can group it, fill, let's make it white, okay, and move it, oops, wow, okay. But you see, they disappear somewhere. They're not disappear. They're just under this thing here. So I want, they're white, you cannot see them, but they're there. So if I click on the red object and I go on object and select lower to bottom, it will go behind everything. So let's give a nice color to the crust of the pizza because it's very important. Yeah, something like that. Okay, cool. Now we can select everything, group it, and we can even move it directly over this one. It will cover the black one. We don't need to change anything there. Okay. I also want this shape here, so let's go again to edit, duplicate, move it, object, path, sorry. Break apart. Now I can just select probably the black auto side. No, let's go like this, display mode, outline. We can select everything and then shift deselect this one and delete everything that we do not need. Okay, so I selected everything, I unselected this one and deleted everything else. Now let's go back on display mode and let's go back to normal. So we have our object here. Let's make it yellow, like a full yellow and a little bit magenta, and then we want to move it back here. I don't really like this blue cap. Let's make it red, like this. Okay. Let's select everything, object, group. Cool. Now it's one new piece of art.
I like that.
File on the keyboard. Okay, let's zoom out. So if you hold space, you can pan your screen. Now, what do we need now? We need to make this object larger. You see, if you drag the arrow on the corner, it will get larger, but you can also squash it or lose the proportion. If you hold Control key while enlarging the object, you see you will retain its proportion, and this is what we want. So hold the Control key. Another cool thing is that when you click on an object the first time, you will get the arrow for sizing it. If you click a second time, you see the arrow changed, and now they will let me rotate the object. Again, hold Control, and you will be able to precisely rotate the object by 15 degrees. Okay, every 15 degrees. Now we can shape it again. Let's make it smaller if I can do it. No, I can't for some reason. Probably because my zoom is too high. And now, okay, it's just the problem is it's snapping like crazy everywhere. You see, snapping here, snapping there, but it's not a problem. Okay, you can always take it outside the page and make it as big as you want, and then you go back here. So snaps are your friends but also your enemies sometimes, but you can always turn it on and turn it off. I just forgot about it. So another nice thing, okay, first let's go back to our layers and see if everything is still in order. It is, okay. Another nice feature is this one. So I can, you see now you need the snap. You can snap from here to there. You can snap from here to there. Okay. And we will reference these two objects just to center this one on the lid. Okay. When you move an object, it's freely moving on the canvas. But if you want to move an object on one direction, like vertical or on horizontal, you need to hold down again Control key. Control key is your friend. Okay, see, you can go horizontal, you can go vertical. Cool. Now I can move this one out. Select this one, go here to align, and see we need to change this one to last select. Okay, so it will align this one to the last selected one, this one. Now, what do we want? We want this one, right? And then we want this one. Okay, and now it's aligned in the center of the lid. Cool. Now, what do we need now? Oh, our pizza slice, of course. Let's import again. Which one was it? This one. Open, ignore. Oh, here it is. Again, let's move it here, for example. Let's zoom it. Again, ungroup. Let's get rid of this one. And let's see. Okay, this is already partially broken apart. I will select everything, make a copy. From now on, I will use the shortcut because it's just faster to learn the shortcut. So duplicate, in my case, is Command D. I don't know on Windows, but just read it on screen, okay, on your screen. So duplicate it, move it with my arrow key. One is enough. Let's make it two. Then let's get my shape builder, and I want this one, I want this one, I want this one, and this one here. Well, it's fine for at the moment. Let's just hit return. Now let's color it. Yep. Here, no, what is it? Fill, whatever color, something like that. Okay, this is fine. Go here and object lower to bottom. There we go. This one we can make it red, because there is some tomato here. It can stay there. This is our mozzarella. And then we can make it really white. Sorry, I did move this thing. I didn't want to. White, okay, and then move these things over there. And I want this one as well. Give me this one. This one, okay. Okay, no worries. We will color it. Can we just Is there a color picker on this program? I guess so. Yeah, this one. Can I sample this color? Yes, I can. Okay, and then let's make it like lighter, like this. Okay, and move it here. And then let's move the object to the bottom. Yeah. But we need it to be like something like that. Could be. Yeah. Cool. Enough is enough. Okay, you can play as much as you want, but that's the idea. Group it. Okay. Let's go back to our page. Let's bring this thing here. Okay, and then I want to zoom. So, can I transform this thing? Let me see if I have. Yes, there is a palette here. Transform. Cool. Move, scale, rotate, skew, and matrix. Scale, rotate. 90 degrees. This is the skew. Okay, can I flip this one in any way? I don't know. Let me see. Yes, I can just do minus 100%, I guess. Yeah. Okay. If you put minus 100%, it will just be okay. Mirror. And then I can just move and put my slice over here. And what did we do here? That one was nice, but it's fine, it's okay. Okay, we need the Mamma Mia logo, the Mamma Mia text. This is nice because now we need something new. We need not the pencil, but the pen tool. The pen tool is like any other pen vector tool. You click on the first point, then you click and keep press the mouse button, and when you move, you will have a curve that you can modify. If you keep going, another click and drag, click and drag, click and drag, and so on, click and drag, you will get like any kind of shape that you want. So what do we need? We need like a path of some kind where we will put our text. So I just need something like, I don't know, something like that. It's not important at the moment. Hit return. Now I want my text tool. Here it is. And let's write here, Mamma Mia. Okay. Okay, cool. Now, give me the color one. Let's make it red because everything is red on this pizzeria. Now, this text here, we want to make sure that it is aligned on center here. Okay. Now, if I take this one and then go, you click on this one, then Alt Shift, click on this one. Now they are both select. And we go on text, and now we go on put on path. There you go. Super cool. Okay. Yeah. Okay, is there a way to select this one? No, it's no. Yeah, okay. Okay. I did select the brown thing here because I don't want it to be brown. I want it to be invisible. And now I just need to click on no paint. There it goes. Okay. Probably there is also a stroke and I don't want that as well. Yeah, now it's really transparent. Let's go like this and select everything, because if you don't select the path, you can move the red text. But if for any reason you move, scale, change or whatever this path, it will change also your text. So make sure that you select both, then go object, group, and there it is. Rotate it. Let's scale it a little bit. Nope. We need to do it from here. Okay. Let's put it here, and then now let's fix this thing. Okay, this is way too big, so we want to click on Control, and if you go on Control Shift, it will scale to the center or from the center. Okay, this is without Shift, and this is with Shift. Okay. Something like this. Go there, mamma mia. Let's make it larger. This one goes here. Why not? Then rotate it a little bit. We want it to go there. Then let's move everything like this. You got the idea. Cool. Now, what did I put here? There's some kind of filter that I can't recall, but we will find out. Filter gallery. It was on. Which one was it? The fire. Can
Oops.
I look it up? I guess so. Fire. There is no fire. Okay. So it was
Nope.
under materials, maybe.
Nope.
Nope. Pixel 2 protrusions, maybe. Oh my god, I can't remember. I
Fill.
want my fire. Okay, here it is. Under protrusion. For whatever reason, they call it like that. And here is our fire, but I need to select the object. There we go. Mamma mia is on fire. Cool. Now I want this one on the top. Now I selected this one and this one. Let's move it like this. And click on 5. And guys, I think I will stop this first part of the video here because it's already getting too long. And on the second part, I will try to quickly finish the box and then we will move to Leonardo to print and cut this thing. Okay, bye.